Good morning. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So I'm with the artist Goldie Malhotra ji. We are at the IFIX. The exhibition was inaugurated on the 24th of October, and this is up till the 29th. So, 30th, ma'am. Right. So, Goldie ji, we were talking to you the other day, 24th, and you said you're a self-taught artist, but आपने अपने father साहब का भी नाम लिया था.
Gee, I was initiated by him only because though he was a chemical engineer, but he was interested in arts and history of art particularly. He knew a lot. So he always wanted me to paint. And he used to encourage me whenever I drew something or painted something. And that is how my journey started. And because he was supplying me so much of literature on history of art that at very early age I learned about it, different techniques, different artists. So that is how I got involved, and I never stopped.
We also like to you to share his name.
Mr. Puran Chand Talwar,
Okay. And where was this?
Ludhiana.
You
He
were in
was.
Ludhiana.
He's from
So
Ludhiana.
that's really interesting because coming from Ludhiana and into Delhi, you're now in the capital, and there's a lot of things happening. I've been coming to IFIX as a child, and then when we grew up, '93, we held this pioneer newspaper.
I'm a very proud Ludhianavi
Yes.
because I'm very proud Ludhianavi, and my father was Sahir's very close friend.
Oh, really?
So I've been brought up in that kind of environment where all these poets were there, and Har Krishan, another very good painter, was my father's class fellow, and so was Jaydev, the music director.
Yes,
So
of
the
course.
Jaydev, Har Krishan, and my father and Sahir, they were all very close knit group. So that was a kind of environment I had.
Wonderful. So you have some knack for singing as well.
No, I don't sing, but theater, yes. I've been involved in theater. I'm a life member of Abhineta Theater Group, and I've been acting in classical plays in the lead role.
Perfect, ma'am. And the other day, Shabi sir was also here. He said he's been teaching, and then that time he said you were the principal.
Yes, I only brought
where
him.
was this?
This was in DAV Shrestha Vihar. In fact, his father spoke to me, late Santosh ji, and he was very keen. Those Shabir is a wonderful boy and a painter, but his father always wanted him to get into some kind of job. So that is how I brought him into school
Wonderful, ma'am.
teaching.
And we just, that day we had so much things to talk, but that was the opening and you had a lot of guests. Then you said you've had 14 solo shows.
This is the 14th. This is the 14th, and almost 25 group shows I participated in,
So this is across
and
the
many
country, ma'am.
artist camps also.
Yes. So where all when did you start? कहाँ पे आपकी show
It
at?
started in Ludhiana.
Ludhiana?
My father organized my first show when I was still a senior school student.
Which year was this?
I think it was in 65 or so, or
Really?
66.
Lovely.
And then I had my show in Chandigarh. Then I had my shows in Delhi. In Delhi, I've had 8 shows, and Chandigarh 2, Ludhiana 2, and then I've had one in Pakistan because I had an exchange program with Lahore Grammar School, and they organized my show in their artist gallery in Lahore, and I took all my monumental paintings
Really?
because I couldn't take the portraits and gods and goddesses.
Sure.
So I took those paintings and had wonderful response there.
Wonderful. Coming to, you also said you were having a show in Stockholm.
Yes. There actually it was a prince I had taken with me, and that
Alright.
was organized.
Excellent. And
The lady who was showing me the museum there, she was so fascinated.
Yes.
So she did it.
right. अभी हम इस जो अभी आपका ये वाला शो है, you've titled it something ना कुछ आपने title
This is Echoes of the Eternal.
Echoes of the Eternal. Eternal, yes.
not internal.
No, Eternal,
Echoes,
ma'am.
Echoes of
Yes,
the Eternal.
I could
yeah.
follow. So I said, isme, the other day when we were speaking to a group of students, they were architects basically.
That's right.
Yes, they had come with Mr. Kukreja.
That's right.
They work in his firm. So they said, I'd spoken to quite a few of them, and they said, this is talking about Buddhism, and So this theme right now, आपने जो mythology के ऊपर करा है, and it coincides with the festival in India.
No, there's no intention. No, there's
Okay.
nothing to do with that. In fact, Buddhism, I feel all beliefs, all religions, they have a lot of commonality. And because I've been studying a lot about Buddhism, so I feel Buddhism and Indian mythology are well mingled, because what Buddha teaches you, that is cause and effect theory, that is what Gita teaches you, karmic theory. So that is how I think I could weave them together. So Buddha's life, I have earlier held an exhibition on Buddha right from his birth till Nirvana. That was a huge success, and those were very big canvases. But I carried on, and these are again life of Buddha and some of his teachings, and also Jatak Katha and mythology, where I have taken Shiv, Parvati, and Ganesh, and Lord Krishna. And the most interesting for me has been working on Dashavatar. And Dashavatar is a set of 10 paintings. It's more like working on miniatures. In fact, you have to spend a lot more time on those tiny pieces, because you have to work very fine,
Intricate,
yeah,
yes.
intricate, fine work, and using spatula, which is my main tool. It was very tough, but I enjoyed it a lot.
Wonderful. And behind you, ma'am, we have Lord Ganesha.
This is Ganesh, the contented Lord, I call him, because he has modak or laddus in front of him, and then there is Shiv Parvati, and where the colors are depicting Parvati in red and Shiv Bagambar, that the skin of the animal that he's wrapping around.
So
that
we'll
is-
just move to that side, ma'am. We'll take a break.